Today I'm going to show you how easy it is for recruiters to collect and parse all of the job applicant resumes in your Gmail inbox to a Google Sheet with the help of cloudHQ's Export Emails to Excel, CSV, or Google Sheets. To get the email parser started, you'll need to go to chrome.google.com to download Export Emails to Google Sheets by cloudHQ. Now that it's installed and I'm back in my inbox, all I have to do is click the cloudHQ button right here and select Start the Wizard. This will open up our wizard options. To find all job applicant resumes in your inbox from LinkedIn, CareerBuilder, Indeed, and similar services, select the Applicant Tracking System Parse All Your Resumes wizard here. Now I'll click the Start the Wizard button. And just like that, the export job has been successfully started. The Save and Export Emails dashboard will now open up to show you all of your email parsing jobs. My resumes spreadsheet is still being created, while all of my previously created spreadsheets are shown down here. I can also just go to my cloudHQ icon here to access my dashboard at any time. When my emails have been parsed and my spreadsheet is ready, I'll receive an email from cloudHQ. I'll open this email, and now I can click this button to open up my new job applicant resume spreadsheet Google Sheet. Now I've got a detailed list of every job applicant's resume in my inbox, including their contact info, their last job title, their last company, and their years of experience. You'll also have the new summary feature. Our AI will provide you with a summary of each resume, even if there is none on the actual resume itself. The sheet automatically updates every time I receive another job application notification in my inbox. Now I can hire the right person effortlessly and form my dream team in no time. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.